The information in the video shows an incident in Ankara, Turkey. A number of houses and workplaces were flooded by heavy rain in the Turkish capital of Ankara. Citizens had a hard time as houses and roads were destroyed by the flood. The water level raised, causing material damage, especially in houses and offices on the ground floors. The Turkish State Meteorological Service has warned residents of the capital of the dangers associated with heavy rain and strong winds. The main streets of the city turned into rivers that cars had to literally swim across. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.
Toplu bir çıkış oldu diyebiliriz. 3 numaralı Ayrton liderliği almaya çalışıyor. Mortadella Castigal